How's it going, everyone? This is Silly Science with Simon, and today we're going to have a bit of fun by mixing milk with food colouring and detergent. I'm not talking about making a fake milkshake. I'm talking about this awesome experiment. Ooh. Are you ready? Then let's get started. To do this at home, pour some regular milk onto a plate and then let it settle. Add a few different colours of food colouring into the middle. 3 or 4 drops should be enough. Now for the fun part. Dip one end of a cotton tip into some detergent and then place that in the middle of the plate. Place them around the edges too. Let's experiment with different types of milk to see what effect that makes. I've got the regular milk that we've been using, and then also this low-fat milk. The low-fat milk has the initial rush of colours to the edges that we saw before, but after that we don't see as much movement as we do with the regular milk. So what causes this effect? Well, 2 things are going on. You might have noticed that when we touch the detergent to the milk, the colouring rushed to the edges of the plate. Milk is mostly made up of water molecules. On the surface, the water molecules are holding onto each other really tightly. This is known as surface tension. The detergent lowers the surface tension of the water, starting in the middle and then moving out to the edges. It's like cutting this middle rubber band, which is then pulled to the edges by the other rubber band, still under tension. You can see this by getting a plate of water, adding some pepper to the surface, and then putting some detergent in the middle of that plate. The detergent makes the water move, but then it stops. So why does the milk keep moving? Along with water, milk contains fats. I've used some yellow Play-Doh to represent the fat. Now the detergent molecule looks something like this. It's got a part that loves water, this blue Play-Doh, and a part that loves fat, this yellow Play-Doh. When added to the milk, the detergent moves around trying to find the fat. When it finds the fat, the part of the detergent that loves the fat sticks into it, with the part of detergent that loves water sticking out of it. This forms something known as a micelle, which is surrounded by the parts of the detergent that loves the water. Now, as this micelle moves around in the milk, it can find other bits of fat and absorb it, which can then get surrounded by more detergent. This movement of detergent molecules trying to find the fat, forming micelles, all of this movement is what causes that movement of colours in the milk. I hope you've had fun watching this video. Now it's your turn to try it at home, and it's my turn to relax with this milkshake that I've just found. I'll see you next time.